Given this sigma notation or sigma equation, determine the value of y. That's question 5a. And in order to solve this, we basically need to try and figure out what it is we're looking for. So we're looking for the top number over here on the sigma notation. We basically need to know what it means. We're saying we're adding up a couple of numbers by substituting from 1 into x up to a certain value y. We're going to sum up all these numbers that result from this in order to get 36. So we can get the first few terms to see what this would look like. So getting the first term would mean substituting 1 into x. So that would be 5, 1 plus 2. This is equal to 5 plus 2, which is just 7. And then we can get the second term as well. 5, 2, then plus 2, this will be equal to 12. We can get the third term by substituting 3 into x. We get 5 times 3 gives us 15, plus 2, that gives us 17. And we see that this is really just a small number. It's 36. Let's see what we get when we add these few numbers so far. So we get 17 plus 12 plus 7. This gives us 36. Therefore, that means we substituted terms starting from 1 up to 3. Therefore, y has to be equal to 3 because 3 is the last number we need to substitute in order to get 36 on this as the sum of the values after adding up. I know you might have seen other methods where they use the sum of formula, but it's important to recognize the hints, you know. It's only 3 marks. If you needed to use any complicated sum of formulas, you would definitely be having it as like 4 or 5 marks because that would definitely prove more of a challenge. But in this case, it's important to recognize that the sum of values is really small. Therefore, we must be adding up just a few numbers in order to get this. If this was something like 3,602, well, that's not 3,602. 3,602, then yeah, sure, you would use the other formulas because that would be quicker. But in this case, it's just 36. So use the method that's most efficient for the amount of marks you're getting.